बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में हम बहुत बेसिक रूल्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स की नेमिंग कैसे की जाती है। ओके, तो हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले तो ये कि ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होते क्या हैं। ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स आर बेसिकली द कंपाउंड्स ऑफ कार्बन and hydrogen. These are also called hydrocarbons because these are the compounds of hydrogens and carbon. Okay, so the study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives, the compounds which are derived from these hydrocarbons, the study of all these compounds is called organic chemistry. And organic compounds are those which contain मोस्टली कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन। अब हमारे पास जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स हैं, दीज आर डिवाइडेड और दीज आर क्लासिफाइड इन ग्रुप्स। तो हमारे पास फैमिलीज़ हैं ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स की। वी हैव सिंगल बॉन्डेड ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स, ऐसे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स जो सिर्फ सिंगल बॉन्ड्स रखते हैं। ऐसे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड दैट कंटेन वन और मोर डबल बॉन्ड्स, and those organic compounds that contain one or more triple bonds. तो वो organic compounds जिनके पास सारे single bonds होते हैं, they are also called alkanes. Compounds which contain at least one double bond are called alkenes, and the compound which contain at least one triple bond are called alkynes. Now let's have a look on the examples of each of these types. We have this compound containing 2 carbon atoms. अभी हमें ये पता है कि कार्बन बिलोंग करता है ग्रुप 4th A से। तो कार्बन के पास मैक्सिमम बॉन्ड बनाने की कैपेसिटी है 4। तो हर कार्बन के गिर्द जब हम ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड डिफाइन कर रहे होंगे तो हर कार्बन के गिर्द हमें 4 लाइंस लगानी हैं, 4 बॉन्ड्स बनाने हैं। ठीक है, और चूँकि ये हाइड्रोकार्बन्स हैं तो इन बॉन्ड्स के साथ अटैच क्या होगा, हाइड्रोजन। ओके, तो इस तरीके से ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स बनाए जाते हैं। अब वो फैमिली जो सिर्फ सिंगल बॉन्ड्स रखती है उसके ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स को बोलते हैं अल्केन्स, राइट। ये जो एक मैंने बनाया है जिसमें डबल कार्बन है, यानी कि 2 कार्बन एटम्स हैं, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड ईथेन। दीज आर द स्पेसिफिकली names of the compound that contain only single bond. Similarly, the compound that have, let's start from the very beginning, that a compound that has all single bonds and has only one atom is called, one carbon atom is called methane. The compound which has 2 carbon atoms is called ethane, and the compound which have 3 carbon atoms is called propane. Compound having 4 carbon atoms is called butane. Compound having 5 carbon atoms is called pentane. Compound having 6 carbon atoms is called hexane. 7 carbon atom containing compound is called heptane. Compound having 8 carbon atoms is called octane. 9 carbon containing compound is called nonane, and 10 carbon containing compound is called decane. This is the basic naming of the family of organic compounds that contain only single carbon atom. Okay, now let's have a look on any one of these 10 compounds. We have propane with us. This is called propane. 3 carbon containing compound is called prop, and ane is the suffix that is attached with this compound, because this compound contain only single bonds. For example, let's remove these two hydrogens and draw a double bond here. 3 carbon atoms, so prop will remain same, but there is a double bond attached, so we will change this ane with ene. Okay, suppose we will remove these two hydrogens also, and we will draw one other bond here. So there are 3 carbons still, 3 carbons, so prop will still remains, because prop is the prefix for, is the stem name for the number of carbon atoms, and ene is for was for double bond. Now we will change this ene with ine. Why? Because a triple bond containing compound is named as propyne. 3 carbon contain propyne. Okay, so this is the very basic nomenclature of organic compounds. Let's get in touch with us, because we will be discussing other kind of naming and other organic compounds, naming of other organic compounds in our next videos. Thank you so much.